Good evening, everybody. Today we are talking about another topic for the matter. Now we are talking about the mass. The mass here tell us about how much of matter in your object. This means if you have 5 kilograms of orange and 10 kilograms of orange, this means we have here in the 10 kilograms more matter, more than the 5 kilograms of the same matter. So we are dealing here with a quantity, with amount. So the mass is an amount of matter in this object. We can measure this mass and figure out its mass by many devices, by many tools. Like what? The common balance. Common balance here is simple, has two bands and many standard masses. We simply put the standard mass here in a pan and our object put in the other is put in the other pan. When they balance, we get the right amount. So the common balancing is used for measuring these masses. It's used for large masses, measuring large masses. Like what? Fruits, vegetables, heavy objects generally. Next tool is used for small masses and light masses. This one, the old sensitive balance. We use it to measure gold, silver, chemicals in our lab. Sorry about that. So we measure the chemicals, we measure the gold, silver, because we are dealing with these materials in a small units. That's about the measuring tools. Next one here, measuring units, the mass measuring units here. We'll talk about the gram and its short name is GM. Kilogram, its short name kg. Ton, gram. As I said before, the gram here is a small unit, and this small unit is used for measuring small masses such as gold, silver, and the chemicals in the lab. Next one is a bigger unit, which is kilogram. The kilogram here is used for larger masses, like what? Like fruits. vegetables, and many things. Kilograms here equals 1000 gram. Next one, the ton. Ton is a bigger unit used for very large masses, like the mass of a truck, the mass of a container, the one that's used for carrying shipments from any country in the world. That's about the measuring units and measuring tools and what is mass. So we are talking here. We talk about 3 points in this lesson: mass, and mass measuring tools, mass measuring units. So the mass here is the amount of matter in the object. The tools, we have here the common balance or 2-pound balance. And the sensitive balance. Is sensitive because it deals with small masses. Measuring units, gram, kilogram, and ton. My application here for these units, if I say it convert 2 kilograms into grams, we are saying here we want to convert 2 kilograms into grams. Now 1 kilogram contains 1000. So if you have 2 times 1000 will equal 2000 grams. Another example, 3000 grams, you want to convert them into kilogram. In this way we will divide 3000 divided 1000 will equal 3 kilograms. Another application here for the ton. We have here 3 tons and you want them in kilograms. We said before 1 ton equals 1000 kilograms. So ton is a very big unit. You want to convert it to a smaller unit, which is kilogram. So we multiply 3 times 1000 equals 3000 kilograms. So it is important to choose right measuring tools that suits your object. If you have a large object, you'll use kilogram. If you
you have a very large object like a truck, you use a ton. If you have a small object, small part, small mass, this means you use a gram. Another application, you have here a pen. And a truck. And a bag of fruit. The suitable unit for measuring these masses. The pen here is a small or big unit or big object. We have a small mass here, so we'll use the gram. Truck here is very large mass, so it is better to use the ton. The fruits large mass, so we use the kilogram. And that's the end of our lesson. Hoping to reach your minds, hoping to get you the benefits. Until then, we meet again. Goodbye.